Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here with another video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $2,000 a day online with the affiliate marketing business model. Now, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you like, that you comment, you engage in the comments below throughout this video, and most importantly, subscribe, because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And for you returning subscribers, man, I appreciate you for being loyal. Right now, I'm actually getting 150 new subscribers daily to this channel. So I appreciate you for inspiring me to continue to put out content like this and just, over deliver as I always do. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the content. I'm gonna be showing you again how to make $2,000 per day with the affiliate marketing business model. And you guys can see here that I'm actually logged into a website called clickbank.com. Clickbank is a digital marketplace that houses digital products. So with the affiliate marketing business model, I can actually go to clickbank.com. I can go to their marketplace. I can select a product in their marketplace and start promoting that product, somebody else's product. So when I go out there and promote that product, I don't have to worry about product fulfillment, customer service, delivering the product. They pay me up to 80 to 90% commissions because it's a digital product and there's no overhead, which is super awesome. All I need to do is worry about getting eyeballs to these products here on clickbank.com, and anybody can sign up for free. And what I'll do is I will leave a link in the description below, or you can check out above. There should be a little eye icon that pops up to where you can actually learn how to make money with ClickBank, and there will be a more detailed, comprehensive video on how to do that. But for this video, I want to show you a few different business models that you can go into when it comes to affiliate marketing, and you can implement the same amount of work in each of these business models and get completely different results. So what I'm really saying here is you can turn a $50 sale into potentially a $5,000 sale and make 50% commissions off of that. So on the $50 sale, you make $25. On the $5,000 sale, you'd make like right around $2,500 with the exact same amount of effort. Now, contrary to a lot of your beliefs, you're like, no, typically to make more money, you have to work harder, but you actually don't. As you guys can see right here, June 13th, that was yesterday, nearly $2,000 there. June 12th, $2,500 there. June 14th, which is today, $307.22. And the day's still not over yet. So I'm just gonna go to Google real quick and type in date and time. And you guys can see that it's 8:14 p.m. at night here in South Jordan, Utah, June 14th, 2018. So I always like to show authenticity in my video, show you guys this is really my account. Even if I log out and log back in, you guys can see that this is legitimate. This is real time. This is my account right here. So pretty cool to see those numbers. So how did I actually execute this? How did my numbers go from right around, $200 to $400 per day, even up to $600 per day, to having days like this, $1,000 here, $2,000 here, nearly $2,000 here? How does that happen? Well, let me outline this for you. As you can see here, I've shown you, let me see if I can click off of here so you can see everything. So you guys can see that I've got two different automated systems right here. Now, an automated system simply online is just a series of web pages. Okay, so you've got a web page right here, you've got a web page right here, right? And you've got a web page right here. That's all an automated online system is a series of web pages that you would send somebody to from traffic sources like Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or on a blog. So basically what you have is you have traffic, and traffic is not like car traffic. We're talking about website traffic. So this can be, again, it could be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, any sort of social media platform. It could even be offline. It could be through newspaper ads. It could be classified ads. It could be, again, online on Craigslist. It could be anywhere. But basically what the purpose is to get people from point A, from the platform that they're on, online or offline, to an automated system, a series of web pages. So the first web page that you send people to is called an opt-in page. And what it typically has is it has a little headline here, and then it has an opt-in box right here. Sometimes it'll have a couple opt-in boxes, and typically it'll have like, okay, enter your name and email address here, and then click the submit button here. And typically on this page, this page will be offering like a free PDF, a free download, depending on what the niche is. Maybe it's a weight loss guide. Maybe it's a Bitcoin guide to wealth. If you're in Bitcoin, maybe it's affiliate marketing guide, which is what I teach. So in exchange for that free PDF, that free guide or free video series, somebody will enter their name and email address. Okay. The reason why we want to capture the name and email address is because typically when somebody goes through the sales process, some people will buy, some people won't. When people don't buy, what we can do is we can follow up with them through an automated email sequence, okay? And this would be called, in other words, an autoresponder. It's a service out there like a GetResponse or Aweber where it logs a list of email addresses that are captured from an opt-in page, so then you can follow up with those email addresses and mass email those email addresses at once, and again, send them back to the product that they were initially exposed to. Okay, so after the opt-in page, they go to what's called the thank you page, which again has a little headline right here. And then it'll have maybe a video right here, or even some text thanking the person that originally filled out their information over here. You know, it'll thank them for, you know, filling out their information to receive the guide, to receive the video course, to receive the PDF. And then typically in that video, you would say, okay, if you want to get access to your PDF, just go to your email inbox, make sure you look in your primary folder if you're on Gmail, whitelist my email, so on and so forth. So then somebody will typically go back to their email inbox and, you know, find that free guide, but also this page will give you a chance to not only verify that they've received their information in their email inbox, but also it'll give them a chance to be exposed to your product for the first time. So there might be a button here, and at the end of this video, you might say, hey, by the way, I understand that you're interested in affiliate marketing. If you want to learn the system that's allowed me to go from zero to making $2,000 a day using ClickBank, for example, all you need to do is click the button below and you can check it out. And then that individual will go to the sales page. It's also called a VSL, and there will be a sales video. Beneath that sales video, there's going to be a button, and typically the consumer will watch the sales video and they'll, you know, if they decide to buy, they'll click this button. And when they click this button, the person that sent this traffic through this automated system, they will receive a commission, okay? They will receive a customized affiliate link from a place like ClickBank, where they're the only person on earth that has access to that affiliate link. And this is the way that ClickBank can track sales back to that specific affiliate. So when they make a sale, boom, it'll pop up in their back office here as a sale, right? So this is considered a low ticket automated system. This isn't the system that I use to have these $2,000 days. Now, I have been able to have $2,000 days and $1,000 days using a low ticket system. But the thing is, with the low ticket system, you need more traffic going through the system to earn $2,000 a day. So it's going to require more traffic, more work overall, and more money. Not always more work. If you're doing paid advertising, it will definitely, you know, cost you more money. If you're doing free advertising, you got to put up more content on social media to get more website visitors. So it will cost you more work. But also with like a low ticket automated system, you can't spend as much to acquire a customer, because if you're spending, you know, $100 to receive a $100 commission, then you're actually breaking even. You're not making any money there. And so typically with a low ticket automated system, a lot of people are struggling to make money online because they have no room to work with because they're making tiny commissions. Now, here's what changed my life completely. is taking this same philosophy, taking traffic, again, from Facebook, different social media platforms, YouTube, Instagram, forums on the internet. And what I would do is, instead of sending them straight to, an opt-in page and a thank you page and a sales page, what we would do differently is send them to a webinar opt-in page. So again, there would be a headline. It would say, hey, I'm doing this webinar. You can register here. And there would be a registration button. They would click that button here, and there would be a little pop-up that would pop up somewhere on the page. And this is where they would select the date and time to register for the webinar. And then they'd enter the same information in right here, name, email address. And then they'd go to a thank you page, again, with a little headline here, a video saying thank you so much, for filling out your information. Your webinar time is 8 o'clock, Eastern, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you show up on time. Make sure you bring a pad and a pen, take some notes, and just give some value in this video too as well, maybe to get people excited about the webinar. And then what would happen is they would show up at that webinar at that given time. And again, there would be a video right here, of course, and there would be a chat box over on this side. And then after about 60 minutes to 90 minutes of a webinar, there would be a pop-up button that would pop up right here. And when they would click that, they could go buy a product that's not like $100, but it would be like $2,000 or $5,000 instead. So you're noticing that it's the same amount of effort to send somebody from, point A to point B as it would be right here, as right here. So it's very much the same process, slightly different, but the work on the front end is very much the same. So all you need to do is switch out the automated system that you're sending somebody through, and then your commissions change completely. So what I did is I sent somebody through this webinar process. I had somebody else do all the selling and telling. They sold their product, and they paid me for sending the customer to them. So the reason why a lot of these product owners are doing this is because it's a bonus for them. They're willing to pay out half of the commission to you and keep the other half because they realize it's money that they would have never made otherwise, right? And so that's why you're able to make tons of money and make like 50% commissions off of a $5,000 product and make $2,500. And that's where I'm having days like this. $2,500 here, $1,922.48 there. So if I click here, you're going to see that I actually received 2 commissions for right around $1,000. Let me see if I can zoom in here. $1,000 here, $1,178, and then $1,178.21 right here. So this product was actually a $2,000 product. I got 50% commissions. It was right around $2,000. And so, this is the commission that I was paid out. Still quite a bit. So 2 sales of that a day equals $2,000 per day. So all I need to do is just keep feeding this machine right here with the same traffic that I would feed this machine, and higher commissions would pop out on the end. Okay? And that just proves to you guys that you can take the same amount of effort, the same amount of work, and just send that traffic to a higher price product and a sort of different type of automated system. So it's still 3 pages, but the purpose of these pages are different, and the price of the product's different, and the sales process on a webinar is more interactive. You're building more of a relationship than you would on a sales page. So with a webinar, since you can connect with people more and give them more value, you can charge more for, your product, right? And of course, you want to make sure that the value is there too as well. But this is the basics, guys, of how, an online business runs. And the great thing is you don't have to set up any of this. All you need to do is learn how to drive visitors to somebody else's product and build an audience, whether it be through paid advertising or free advertising. Free is going to cost you more time. Paid is going to cost you more money. So with that being said, if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, check out my inner circle below. Also check out my top recommended system below. And with that being said, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Did you have a breakthrough from this? Did you finally realize that you can make money anywhere in the world while you're traveling, while you're sleeping, if you've got constant traffic going to an automated system that does all the selling for you? This is the new age of making money, you guys. This is how money should be made. You shouldn't be trading time for money. You should be implementing something like this. So with that said, again, like, comment below. What'd you take away from this? Are you ready to get started? If you are, comment "I'm in" below and click one of those links in the resources section in the description below, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.